Good day to all of you. Today we're going to do our second lesson on pressure. Today it's all about questions and answers. Before we go into the questions, I want to quickly remind you that pressure is equal to force divided by area. It is also important for you to note that the unit for force is the Newton. The unit for area is the squared meter, while that of pressure is Newton per meter squared or Pascal. Now for our magic triangle. How do we apply this magic triangle? If you want to find a variable, you will cover that variable. So for example, if you want to find pressure, it's going to be force divided by area. If you want to find force, then it is pressure multiplied by area. If you want to find area, then it's going to be force divided by pressure. Now let's jump into our first question. This question states that the box below covers 0.75 meters square of the floor. If the box exerts a 40 Newton force, what pressure is exerted on the floor by the box? Now remember that pressure is equal to force over area. Therefore means pressure now equals to 40 Newton divided by 0.75 meters squared. And this now gives us 53.33 Newton per meter squared, or of course remember that we can also have this in Pascal, so therefore we can have 53.33 Pascal. Now for our next question. What is the equivalent unit for Pascal? And is it A, Newton per meters cube, or is it B, Newton? Or C, Newton per meter squared, or D, Joule per meter squared? And if you got Newton per meter squared, then you are totally correct. Next question here. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Is it A, the barometer? Is it B, thermometer? Is it C, the hygrometer? Or is it D, the anemometer? And the answer is definitely A, which is the barometer. Now our next question. What change results in an increased pressure? Is it A, increasing the contact area? Is it B, decreasing the contact area? Or is it C, decreasing the applied force? Or is it D, maintaining the force per area ratio? And the answer here is definitely B, decreasing the contact area. Our next question here. What change results in a decreased pressure? Is it A, decreasing the contact area? Is it B, increasing the applied force? Is it C, decreasing the applied force? Or is it D, maintaining the force per area ratio? And the answer here is definitely C, decreasing the applied force. And this is the end of our lesson today. And I will tell you that, hey, I appreciate you watching these lessons. And I also want you to know that diamonds are made under pressure. So conquer your fears and face the pressure. Have a wonderful and a blessed day.